The message we're trying to get across on this exhibition today is the fact that the industry is going deeper, so the pressures are getting higher. The materials are going to have to be more corrosion resistant because the media is getting more aggressive. The reason material selection is so important these days is because people are spending a lot of money putting offshore assets out there. If they choose the wrong materials and they start to corrode too early, it's very, very, very expensive to refit them and continue to keep the production going.
Material selection is crucial with regards to seals because each material can apply to different temperatures, pressures, media, etc. So it's important to select the correct material depending on your particular application and the pressures and temperatures that go along with that application.
The major problem is the easy hydrocarbons have largely been recovered, so oil and gas operators are having to go further and deeper to recover these resources. What you find is low temperature aspects, very high temperature aspects, very high pressure aspects. But what Parker are doing is developing new compounds all the time to meet those industry requirements. One example of which would be the VG109 FKM grade of material. It has super low temperature qualities, high temperature you would expect with an FKM, excellent resistance to many chemicals found in the oil and gas industry, including wellbore fluids, and also meets the strict requirements of the industry standards, ISO and NORSOC.
As most people know, offshore oil platforms and assets were manufactured using 316 stainless steel for many, many years. In this day and age, with the higher depths and the more corrosive environment, people can't use that material as it rusts. So we are selling our material in 6MO, which has overcome all these problems and has been extremely successful. Parker Hannifin have been manufacturing double block and bleed valves in the Flange product mode for over 10 years now. Were we first to the market? No. But what we've done, we've changed some of the features that the competition have to improve them and make them more attractive to our customers. We also have engineers and people like myself who work for the competition for quite a few years, so we have a good insight of what they've got and how we can make it better. One great example of our successes is the API wellhead tree valve. It's a valve that we hadn't made previously, but working with distributors and our tail company, we managed to get the opportunity to work with the end user to create these new products. The great thing about the Parker stand and the Parker range is I'm one of many divisions that's actually represented here. So an engineer coming to this show not only would be able to come and look at the instrumentation products like in front of me now, but they'd also be able to see many of the other products that's behind me in filtration and water filtration and separation and hydraulics and hoses as well, and many other products that normally it would take a long time for the sales force to get around to these people. Well, they come to a one-stop shop, if you like. I think Parker are quite unique in that respect. My competition in my world can't offer all those other products to the same engineer at the same time and from the same company.